Great job here at cosplay. This is Karen Ashley. I played Aisha the Yellow Power Ranger, and I just want to tell all of you out there that, you know, Power Rangers started cosplay. We got this party started, so all of you out there, you know, I can't wait to meet you all across the country, and good luck with your cosplay. It's warping time.
I need a weapon.
Final round. Fight!
Game over.
Seriously?
Damn.
Where do you learn to shoot?
Yo, you aren't any better.
Alright, fine. Rematch.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I love making it for you and I really want to make more. Please help subscribe to my channel. It's only one click away right down there. So please help subscribe, share to your friends, and don't forget to watch the MobiCon 2018 Cosplay Showcase, which was my last video. Just one click right over there. And I'll see you next time.